Something to consider. You can log it into conspiracy theory or whatever category you would like to put it in. But the asteroid 2012 DA that was scheduled to pass by our planet on February 15th, 2013 at 2:24 Eastern Standard Time. But the asteroid 2012 DA that was scheduled to pass by our planet, which passed some 17,239 miles from our planet, supposedly occurred. But what's interesting, on the same day in Russia, in Chelyabinsk, there was a meteor that hit Russia. No one knew about it, quote, supposedly, and it hit Russia, hurting over 1,000 people. It blew out windows. It lit up the sky in daylight. Consider this. Is it possible that this meteor or asteroid had anything to do with 2012 DA-14? Possibly could it be fragments of that asteroid or the garbage that is being carried by that particular asteroid that passed by? Because what's interesting, the same day that 2012 DA-14 was supposed to pass us and not hit the Earth, on the exact same day we get this meteor that did significant amount of damage in Russia, even to the point of hurting over 1,000 people. Now I'm wondering, again, put this in your conspiracy file, but I'm wondering if there was to be an asteroid or even a comet that was actually headed towards our little marble globe called Earth, would they actually let us know? Would they even let us literally track it on our sophisticated apps, our toys, eyes on the sky? Would they really allow us to be able to track an asteroid that was in fact headed towards our planet? I submit to you that it's a chance that they would not. I think they're more afraid of the panic that it would cause. And I think they believe that the panic itself would bring more fear and destruction and death than the actual asteroid, meteor, comet itself. So I submit to you, therefore, that this asteroid 2012 DA-14, but yet it passed by us harmlessly according to our eyes. But yet something hit us on February the 15th in Russia. Is it possible that that which hit us, which was not supposed to hit us, actually hit us? Is it possible that this meteor that hit in Russia which it appears that nobody knew about, quote unquote, they actually knew about, but it was deemed to allow it to hit without the public being aware that this actually would happen, because if they knew it was going to actually happen, it would have caused more panic than not knowing that it was going to happen. I submit to you, I believe that this asteroid that hit on February the 15th in Russia was known. They knew that it was coming. I'm not saying it was 2012 DA14. And I'm not saying it wasn't. I think that after further investigation, it's going to be found out it was the garbage that accompanies comets or asteroids. Wouldn't it be interesting that it was actually 2012 DA14? But wouldn't it be interesting to find out that that which hit us in Russia, again under the category conspiracy theory, that which hit us in Russia, in Chelyabinsk, Russia, was in fact the asteroid that they were tracking, that they couldn't tell us about? Because if they actually would have told us, it would have caused more panic, and it would have caused more destruction than the asteroid itself. I submit to you that until we are actually able to know that we can move an asteroid or a comet out of our path, we will be fed misinformation, because we as a society are not smart enough, cannot be trusted to handle the truth. And this is truly John signing off.